Overnight, police looking for the driver who plowed into a fire hydrant, sending water gushing toward the sky.
More water wasted. 10 News reporter Bree Steffen live in El Cajon. The streets there look more like rivers, Bree.
Yeah, that's right. Someone even described the geyser as looking like Old Faithful. But this morning, it's boarded off and taped over just to make sure nobody falls into the hole where that hydrant used to be. Now take a look at how high the water was.
Go down there and get more light.
And police say a driver hit that hydrant and then took off. There was 6 inches of water standing in the street at one point. Firefighters spent a while trying to find that shutoff valve. Now, again, back out here live, take a look at all of this silt that was deposited by that geyser. It goes all the way up the street here, and it just left piles of it. And then right back over this way, you could see that it even tore up chunks of the earth right here. So a lot of damage this morning, even though that water is gone. Again, police still looking for that driver. Reporting live in El Cajon, Bree Steffen, 10 News.